Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say a very big thank you. Welcome to my old subscribers and my new subscribers. I just want to say a very big welcome. So today we're going to do a lip scrub using beetroot and granulated sugar and a bit of honey, which I'm going to, and this is the honey we are going to be using today. So I've got a bowl here with me. I've got a chopped beetroot here with me right there, and I have got a blender just to blend the beetroot and squeeze out the juice. So stay tuned while I blend this, because I do not want to bring you the noise. So stay tuned, let me blend this beetroot and come back for you. So guys, I thought about showing you exactly how I blend this. So I switched a blender. I'm going to be using this particular one, and I'm just going to put this thing you see here is beetroot juice and a bit of lemon. So there's a bit of lemon in, just a hint of lemon in it. So I'm going to cover it up and then put And you can use this particular leftover to do a face mask, just like I'm doing right now. It's on my face, so you can use it as a face mask. Don't mind, I've got it all over me because this thing can really stain, as you can see. So I'm gonna put this in a container and store it away. Just hold on. Okay guys, I'm back again. So let's go ahead, and I use this beetroot to do a face mask, which I just washed off and all my makeup gone. Yes, my eyelashes and my eyebrows are washed off with no regret. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this lip scrub that I made out of beetroot. I'm in love with beetroot. So this is just what it looks like. It's a paste sugar scrub. So I'm gonna go ahead, I have a mirror down here, and I'm gonna put it on my lips. And yes, you can lick it. It's so good. Who doesn't like honey and sugar together? Diabetes, be careful. So the question is, does it hurt? No, it doesn't hurt. Does it work? Yes, it works. Because if your lips is dry, sorry, excuse me, wait. if your lips is dry and you use this to scrub your lips, or you want a red lips, bring it on. Hey. For people who has dark pigmentation, can use this as well. It works wonders. Beetroot has sparked with vitamin C. You know, honey has a lot of antioxidants, and lemon has antioxidant and vitamin C. Beetroot has a lot of vitamin C as well. So, and then sugar is not quite healthy, so you're gonna have to be careful how you lick it, just like me, you know. I'm sorry, I'm going to lick it. There's no way you just do this without licking it. It's not possible. Even if you're the most serious person in this whole wide world, you will not lick this. You know? Line loose. I'm sorry. Yes, you can lick it. I'm sorry guys, but it's too sweet not to lick. What do you mean? In my days. Okay, so normally you should just wash your lips. Please don't be like me. If you can do it, but if you can't, then okay. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching, and my lips is so soft and honestly so soft and smooth. If you have a quite dry lips, you can keep using this, and then every morning you after brushing your teeth, because you know after brushing your teeth your lips get softer, so you can use this to scrub and scrub and scrub. So while doing this, if you want a red lips, definitely you will get it, because while doing this you're circulating blood on your lips and you are scrubbing it, every dark pigmentation around your lips and everything, you're scrubbing it and everything is gone. So you should be able to, you know, achieve the red lips and then soft lips that you want at the end of the day. So I hope this video helps. I hope it makes sense. And then guys, thank you for watching, and